Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to change the colors of an element in Webflow. Although you can easily click through each of your pages and apply color changes individually. By editing the global color swatches, you can more easily change the color across the whole template. Changing the global swatch will change every instance where that color is used across the template. To get started, find an element where the color you want to change is in use. Once you have selected the color swatch that you want to change, you can simply click the Edit button and begin changing this color swatch. Remember that any changes here will apply to all the locations where that color swatch has been used. For example, if you change this primary color of this button, all buttons and areas where the blue or any color has been used will now be the new color you did. While in the edit mode, you can change the swatch name and the hex code, but be sure to click Save to lock any changes. And that's it guys. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.